Hi Cricketers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. With Easter being the next big holiday right around the corner, a lot of you may be asking yourselves, what should I make for Easter with my Cricut machine? Sometimes the hardest part about having a Cricut machine isn't figuring out how to use it, but figuring out what to make. Finding those project ideas and ways to be inspired and things that you really are excited about making with your Cricut machine. Whenever I'm stumped and I'm trying to figure out what I want to make for a certain holiday or event, my go-to place for searching is Creative Fabrica. You can find the best fonts and designs on Creative Fabrica better than anywhere else I've ever bought stuff from. If you're not familiar with Creative Fabrica, they are a design website that has so much more than just designs. They have fonts, mock-ups, graphics, stuff for sublimation, stuff for print on demand, like literally anything that you're searching for design-wise, I bet Creative Fabrica has it. So whenever I'm trying to find project inspiration and ideas of things to make for different holidays and such, the first place that I go and look is Creative Fabrica. They have a really great search bar where you can just type in like Easter SVG or Easter bundles, Easter shirts, like anything that you're searching for, and you'll get like hundreds of pages full of ideas of things that you can make with your Cricut machine. I started using Creative Fabrica several years ago when I was running my own business. When you're running your own business and selling projects that you make, it's really important that you're using designs and fonts that have a commercial license, because you don't want to be stealing other people's ideas and selling things that you shouldn't be. Doing so could get you sued or in further legal trouble. Before I discovered Creative Fabrica, I used to get my designs from all over the place, mostly from Cricut Access or from Etsy. The problem with buying designs on Etsy is people will say they have a commercial license when they really don't. For example, you'll find people selling all kinds of Disney designs. It's really not legal to make or sell anything with Disney, so there's no way that those people actually have a license to give you. It's just a lie. I use Creative Fabrica because I know and trust them. They're a huge business. Their license is legit. So one of the main reasons that I love Creative Fabrica is because their designs and fonts come with commercial licenses, which is so important. When I signed up for Creative Fabrica several years ago, I was paying $29 a month, which is what their subscriptions normally cost for their all access subscription. The all access subscription gives you unlimited access to everything on their website. So you can download as many times as you want, whatever you want, and use it for all your projects and sell stuff. But if you're someone like me, I'm always trying to find a good deal and coupon codes and discounts. So if you're looking for a great deal on Creative Fabrica, you can go down below to my video description and get a free trial of Creative Fabrica for 1 month. This free trial gives you 10 free downloads, and then after that, you can renew your subscription for just $9 a month, which is a lot cheaper than $29 a month. And if you're somebody who doesn't like to pay monthly, you don't want to have bills every single month recurring, like Netflix, Hulu, all those subscriptions, you can pay for a yearly subscription to Creative Fabrica, and it's even cheaper. The yearly all-access subscription comes out to just $4.99 a month. It's really a no-brainer. Creative Fabrica is cheaper than using Cricut Access. It comes with commercial licenses. Their stuff is way better. Their search functions are a lot easier. I get my designs and fonts from the place that I trust, which is Creative Fabrica. If you haven't used Creative Fabrica before, definitely check them out. Click that link down below in my video description and sign up for that free trial. You have nothing to lose, it's free, and I know that you're gonna love them. And if for some reason you don't wanna go forward with a subscription, you can cancel at any time with no questions asked. It's really a great deal.